Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it. Thanks for taking time out of your free schedules, out of the Rona. Anyways, I want to say today's video is about talking about, do I prefer commercial or residential? Someone was asking. I misplaced the name. But anyways, I haven't really done much residential, but in the commercial that I have done, it is basically residential big scale. So like apartments and assisted livings and things like that. So it's basically just either all of them in one space or little clumps of them, like kind of like townhouses, like 3 of them next to each other or whatnot. So anyways, I did pretty much, well, I did wire the whole house that my parents built like 3 or 4 years ago. So that's basically the only one I've ever done by myself. And I haven't really done any for work necessarily. Like I said, just commercial big scale. And so I wanted to say which one I prefer, and that is the commercial. Basically because residential is basically the same thing over and over. I mean, it's kind of the same thing commercial too, although you do get some more variety in there. But the main thing that I like about commercial is you're going to the same job site every day for like a year. If you're doing residential, then you're going to be switching job sites every time the house is done. So like or no, depending on how many people are there, every like 1 to 3 days, maybe every week, you'll be switching job sites. Unless you have like a big spot of like properties, like a big development, like where you're doing 200 houses or something. So, I mean, that would be better, but I would still prefer going to one job site. You do have more, I would assume you have more kind of interruption in commercial with like all the trades going at the same time. So like the framers and the concrete people and the plumbers and the insulators and the pipe fitters or the sprinkler people. So anyways, I'd say it's a little more hectic doing commercial, but I definitely prefer it just because it's a big job site. It lasts a long time. You know where you're going every day. You don't have to guess where you're going each day of the week. And I would say they're both kind of the same, that they both have a little bit of variety, but more commercial. And what I mean by that is like when you're doing like houses or whatnot, or custom houses, you're going to be doing like different light fixtures or different things like water heaters or instant hot water heaters or air conditioners or stuff like that. So it's a little bit things different here and there, but for commercial, you're doing more like more stuff on the power side with like transformers or more like switch gear and stuff like that, bringing power in from the street and stuff like that. So that's kind of just my, without getting too further into it, that's just what I wanted to say about what I prefer and why, mainly just for the job side of it and the length of the projects. But if you have any more questions, let me know and I can answer that. I'll just keep it short, and I appreciate you guys watching. I know I make the videos kind of short some days, but I just don't feel like wasting a lot of time to try to get up to 10 minutes just for YouTube ad revenue or anything like that. So if you enjoy the short videos, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. If you got any more questions, drop them below. I'll make a video about it. If it's not super easy to answer with a reply. So with that being said, thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the description or hit the notification bell if you want to. And see you guys back here tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day.